Hi everyone, welcome back to CPP with Omkar. Today we will start with the basics of C++. We will understand hash include and the main block function and how to take input and display output using cin and cout. Today we start with hash include. In C++, we use header files to bring built-in functions. The line hash include means we are telling the compiler I want to use input output functions like cout and cin. So it includes the IO stream library, which stands for input output stream, like this. After hash include, we're gonna have main function block. Every C++ program starts from the main function. This is where we write the instructions that will be compiled and executed. Every function will have return type. It may be any one, int or any other data type or void. If we use int, we should return value. Mostly all of us use return 0 like this. And if we use void, we does not require to return any value like this. I have written something in main function block after the double slashes, which are called comments in C++, which means it will not read by compiler, but you can able to see. In comments, at last I have given semicolon, which indicates the end of the statement. For beginners, I would suggest to use int before main function because further moving forward, we will return other values, especially dealing with functions concept. Tags for cout will be like this. Here I have used backslash star and star backslash are also comments, but they are multi-line comments, whereas double slash are single line comment. After cout, there is less than symbol, which means sends data to the output stream. And at last, there is end L, which makes to the next line. It is somehow difficult to write cout syntax as a beginner with std cout like this. There is a other way to minimize cout syntax. For that, we need to mention standard namespace every time, like this. Now we have only written cout and the double inverted commas. We will learn how to take input from the user in upcoming videos because as a beginner you don't know how to create variable and also about data types. If this video helped you to understand the basics, give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to CPP with Omkar. Thank you.